Hi class. Now see, we'll see some more problems from the same exercise 1.5 second bit. We need to express these values as log n, single logarithm, and you need to find the value also. So now we'll see first problem, that is log 2 plus log 5. Base they don't mention anything, so no need. So log 2 plus log 5 I can write as log 2 into 5 using the identity log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. Using this identity I can write this. So log 2 into 5 will become what? Log 10. Right? This is the answer. Next problem. 3 log 4 base 64. See, just convert this. It will become what? Log 4 cube to the power to the base 64. How I got 4 cube? Using the identity log a to the power of n base b is equal to n log a base b. See, here these two are similar. N log a b you can write as what? Log a to the power of n base b. Reverse also you can write because both are equal, no? So I am applying this. So now 4 cube means what you will get? 64, and base is what? 64. Log value and base value same means what is the answer? 1. Using the identity, that is what? Log a base a value is what? 1. Using this you will get what? 1. One more problem is, we'll see log 10 plus 2 log 3. I can write what? 3 square minus log 2. How you return this? Using the identity log a to the power of n base b is equal to n log a base b. Using this identity, reverse I am applying. N log a means log a to the power of n, right? Next, log 10 plus log 3 square means 9 minus log 2. See, here plus is there, so I can write this as what? Log 10 into 9, bases are same, so I can write this minus log 2. How I return? Using the identity log a into b is equal to log a plus log b, right? So 10 into 9 what? 90. Log 90 minus log 2. So I can write this as what? Log 90 by 2. How? Using the identity log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. I am applying the logarithmic identities in a reverse way because both LHS and RHS we can apply vice versa, no? Like that. So 90 by 2 means log 45. This is the way, right? So simple. You can find all the values of logarithms using only the identities. So I am repeating the identities once again. You have to memorize that identities to solve the problems of logarithms. So once again I am writing the logarithmic identities. Observe carefully and memorize it. So that identities I am writing here. First identity log a into b base c is equal to log a base c plus log b base c. This is first identity. A into b there means we can write what? A plus b. Log a plus log b, bases same. Real? You can even apply it vice versa also. If it is there this way, you can write in this way. If it is there like this, you can write in this way, right? Next identity log a by b base c, you can write as what? Log a base c minus log b base c. Next, log a to the power of n base b, you can write as what? N into log a base b. You can even write reverse also. If it is like there, like this there, you can write like this. Example, 2 log 3 base 2 is there. You can write this as what? Log 3 square base 2. I applied in reverse because both are equal, no problem. Next, log a to the base b to the power of n. Then you can write about 1 by n log a base b. Next, log 1 base anything. Your answer is what? 0. So these are the identities which are required compulsory to solve the problems of exercise 1.5. So definitely memorize this, and your homework is complete the FN of exercise 1.3, right, and solve the remaining problems of exercise 1.5 first bit and second bit. I am repeating the homework. Today's homework is complete FN till exercise 1.3, and along with that solve remaining problems of first comma second bit of exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5 remaining problems of first bit and second bit is your homework, and you need to complete your FN 1.3 till 1.3. Thank you.